Hey, gun people. Uh, this video, Gun Control Explained, YouTube gave me copyright. They put the big thing, the C. I went ahead and age restricted it because they normally delete it or give me a strike if you don't age restrict something that they expect you to read their mind. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead, Gun Control Explained, make this video, Gun Control Explained, and I'll put a link. And I uploaded that on Bitchute. And if you don't have Bitchute, sorry. I will copy it also to my website, and I'll put a link to both those links so you can watch it. It's a really great video. It explains gun control, government, why guns make people equal and keep them safe versus the government line to where, no, only government can keep you safe. If you give us all your guns, you'll be safer than if you keep them. So it really exposes and connects all the dots. It's a great video. Gun Control Explained. Again, I'll put the links in the description. And remember that other video where I did where YouTube, said, oh, they made the furry potato thing not advertiser friendly, and then they made it advertiser friendly. And as soon as I went public, they changed it to not, and it needs a review. And they said they'd review it in 1,000 views. Well, let's see. I've got 4,300 views. It's still review requested. Still have not reviewed it. This is just continuous YouTube lack of fairness. But anyway. All right, we'll end that there on Gun Control Explained.